Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best diagnostic scanner ECU coding. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Uncell. Model number, DS700. Encel DS700, based on the Android 10 system, is a new generation of modular high-end intelligent diagnostic equipment developed by Uncell, featuring fully updated softwares and powerful design of widespread vehicle coverage, abundant professional diagnostic features and exceptional hardware configuration etc. is the ideal scanner for professional mechanics and auto repair stores to perform all-around fixes and comprehensive tests. Uncell DS700 Upgrade Diagnostic Tablet can do the active test, output the command into the car in order to turn on or off actuators, to find faults in the subsystems of your car effortlessly without using the vehicle's control. Meanwhile, advanced coding function can easily improve vehicle performance or stimulate high-end features for the car. DS700 Automotive Scanner can actuate solenoids and actuators for active testing, send commands to systems components to test their working status, without using the vehicle controls. It can read or erase codes, view live data, retrieve ECU info, do active test and service functions for all systems including ECM, TCM, ABS, SRS, BCM, BMS, TPMS, SAS, fuel system, light system and AC system etc. This diagnostic tablet supports ECU coding function on a large amount of makes, including for Benz, for Ford and more. It also supports quick diagnosis via one-button VIN scanning. Equipped with 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB storage, 2.0 GHz quad-core processor, 6000 mAh battery capacity, 8 extension modules, 10-inch touchscreen, 12-in-1 data stream graph, rear camera 8.0 megapixels, auto VIN reading in seconds. Number 4. Brand name, Xtool. Model number, EZ400 Pro. Xtool EZ400 Pro has advanced ECU coding, bi-directional control, OE level all systems diagnosis, 16+ reset services, auto VIN and scan and additional user-friendly functions. Xtool EZ400 Pro Automotive Diagnostic Tool performs O-level diagnosis like an OEM diagnostic scanner, to read or erase codes, read ECU information, view live data, view freeze frame, actuation test and ECU coding for all available car systems, including ECM, TCM, ABS, SRS, BCM, fuel system, light system, AC system etc. Adopts intelligent auto VIN and scan technology to quickly identify your car information and diagnose car faults. Xtool EZ400 Pro Auto Diagnostic Scan Tool has 16+ reset functions, including key coding, injector coding, ABS bleeding etc. Number 3. Brand name, Toptin. Model number, Phoenix Plus. Toptin Phoenix Plus is a professional and all-in-one diagnostic tool. It has everything you need to diagnose, research and manage any issues at fingertips with its smooth logical workflow, where fully optimized easy-to-use software allows advanced OE-level diagnostics of online ECU coding, complete bi-directional functions, access to all vehicle modules etc. Equipped with the latest Android 10.0, preparing you to take on the toughest jobs with confidence. Android-based tester is equipped with a 12-inch touchscreen. This advanced Pro-level scanner stands apart from others. The Phoenix Pro is capable of ECU module programming for Mercedes, BMW, VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, Porsche, Nissan and Jaguar, Land Rover, Subaru and Renault. A large database is kept on Toptin's own servers for online programming and coding. The network topology diagram shows the networks and control units in a diagram, which is very useful for us to understand how the different networks and systems are connected, and when you do a full system scan we can see at a glance an overview of all the available systems and their status. This diagnostic scanner can quickly make an automatic connection to the vehicle ECU modules in all available onboard systems such as transmission, emission, fuel, engine, body, power and many more, to perform a comprehensive automatic scanning to locate faulty area and retrieve DTCS related. Also a bidirectional car scanner to effortlessly determine a specific subsystem component status instead of using vehicle's own controls. This scan tool can perform oil, SAS, EPB, TPMS, DPF, IMO, BMS, ETS, gear, brake, AFS, gearbox, EGR, sunroof, SUS reset, ABS bleed, injector coding etc. with scheduled procedures and smooth logical workflow to make maintenance a breeze in the workshop. Also an OBD2 scanner featuring all OBD2 test modes to satisfy mission-related concerns and solve most basic car issues for improved car performance. A new generation high-end hardware configuration, advanced professional level diagnostic scan tool, providing the latest OE level coverage for domestic, Asian, and European vehicles. Rugged industrial design with metal alloy bracket and surrounding rubber ensure durable use by the roughest technicians. Number 2. Brand name, Xtool. Model number, D8. Xtool D8 Automotive Scanner Diagnostic Tool can access and scan all available modules and systems of your car, to perform same-level diagnosis like an OEM diagnostic scanner. To read erase fault codes, read ECU information, view live data, view freeze frame, do actuation test and ECU coding. 8-inch scanner and newest tablet with the best operating system and screen. Xtool D8 comes with bidirectional control capability and is capable of performing active tests to access vehicle-specific subsystems and component tests. The tester outputs commands to the ECU to drive the actuators in order to determine the integrity of the system or parts by reading the ECU data, or by monitoring the operation of the actuators, like a VAT test, cylinder deactivation, cycling a C-clutch on or off, switch fuel injector on or off, cycling ABS motor pump, test car window, door, sunroof, wipers and etc. to pinpoint fault locations easily and effectively. Number 1. Brand name, Uncell. Model number, DS600. Encel DS600, based on the Android 10 system, is a new generation of modular high-end intelligent diagnostic equipment developed by Uncell, featuring fully updated softwares and powerful design of widespread vehicle coverage, abundant professional diagnostic features and exceptional hardware configuration etc. is the ideal scanner for professional mechanics and auto repair stores to perform all-around fixes and comprehensive tests. Uncell DS600 supports ECU coding function on a large amount of makes, including for Benz, for Ford and more. It also supports quick diagnosis via one-button VIN scanning. Uncell DS600 provides almost all reset services, such as oil reset, ABS bleed, injector coding, gear reset, SAS reset, TPMS reset, DPF reset, BMS reset, ETS reset, EGR adaptation, gearbox, sunroof, seat calibration etc. It can also active test and service functions for all systems including ECM, TCM, ABS, SRS, BCM, BMS, TPMS, SAS, fuel system, light system and a C system etc. Uncell DS600 has the most advanced Android 10.0 operating system, 6000 mAh battery capacity, rear camera 8.0 megapixel, 8-inch touchscreen, 2GB RAM plus 32GB storage, 2.0 GHz quad-core CPU processor, faster auto-vent technology, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-frequency Wi-Fi, remote diagnosis, quick check printing, one-click update, extra diagnosis module. It has faster transmission speed, running speed and recognition speed to save your time. Encel DS600 car scanner can activate solenoids and actuators for active testing, and send commands to systems components to test their working status without using vehicle control. The lighting of the car maintenance light indicates that the vehicle needs maintenance. Reset the mileage or driving time to 0 after the maintenance, so the maintenance light will go out and the system will start a new maintenance cycle. To prevent the car being used by unauthorized keys, the anti-theft key matching function must be performed so that the immobilizer control system on the car identifies and authorizes remote control keys to normally use the car.